How to install SSLM 150.
Step 1. Install Morts. Step 2. Install waterproof rubber plate. Step 3. Loosen the screw. Left open the handle toward the left, right open the handle toward the right. Reinstall the screw after adjusting the direction. Step 4. Install the square shaft. Install the latch. The arrow is always pointing down. Step 5. Fix sliding screws. Casing and opposite. Pull screw casing. Step 6. Install front panel. How to install back panel. Step 1. Loosen the screw. Left open the handle toward the left, right open the handle toward the right. Reinstall the screw after adjusting the direction. Step 2. Install waterproof rubber plate. Step 3. Connect front and back wire. Fix front panel. Install back panel. Install battery. Install battery cover. Installation complete.